guys, thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe, and today I've got another great vlog for you guys today. I'm going to show you guys a local car meet that gets hosted here every single Wednesday, and this meet is surprisingly very exciting. You know, when I used to come to meets like these in this side of town, I would not really see this much variety, and I'll show you exactly what I mean in just a moment. Look at this guy right here. Scat Pack. I have my 2010 Camaro SS over here. The place is closed, so, and my boy here Justin with his 45th anniversary. Pretty much all of the Camaro from SoFlo Camaros here. Standing right here, you get to really appreciate just how awesome General Motors is, well, Chevy is rather, with the color options that are made available for all of their performance models. Look at these colors right here. I mean, this is like a glorious, I don't even know the color of it, but this looks like a very nice light red wine. And of course this one's the Rapid Blue. This is also like a darker version of this. Just looks incredible. And then this ZL1 right here, oh my gosh. The president and founder of SoFlo Camaros, Mouse 6.2. And here we have the Kingpin ZR1 C6, and this is just a legend of a car, honestly. I think this has like 630 HP coming from the LS9, which is a 6.2 liter supercharged, and again featured in this gorgeous, I think like hypersonic blue, very similar to the aqua blue on my Camaro. Seriously, this just looks incredible. And then right next to it is the baby brother Z06 with the LS7, which is not a joke. I mean, this is one of the most enjoyable cars that I've ever driven, especially in that review. You honestly can't fake the excitement that this car gave me. This is the Corvette section here. So of course we have the C6s that were lined up over there. We have the brand new C8 in this like crush orange color. The C5, I love this like red torch color. This is the C5 with the lights up. You know, it's still from the era where the headlights would pop up. Good little exhaust tip there. Next to it is the C4. So the 80s, you know, the Miami Vice look. I love the spec too. White on white. You guys can check out the interior there. Absolutely phenomenal. Here they have their engine bays wide open, so clearly they are making some pretty serious power. You only do that if you're making good power. Oh Jesus, look at this right here. Dude, we're gonna make our way now towards the Mustang side, so the frenemy of the Camaros. This is the Fox body, I believe. And this is just, again, from a really interesting era and time. This is the brand new 5.0. I think this is the Bullet, actually, with that iconic, you know, dark green Steve McQueen color. Yeah, that's not supposed to be there. I don't know the gens. I think this might be a fourth, and we just have more Mustangs back here. Oh, a Mach 1. Okay, that is awesome. Don't really see too many of these at all. Oh my God, this is a major TBT. Oh my God, this is actually my good friend Michael's same exact color. Man, that just brought me so many memories right now. I mean, I've done plenty of content with this car. Well, not this car in particular, but this spec car. You guys can definitely check that out in the link in the description below. Had some good times, and I even see that it has Recaro bucket seats. You may not be able to see it here that well. After installing Recaro seats on my car, I am so much more vigilant and more focused on seeing sports seats in cars. Oh, guys, oh my God, it's a real Z28. I love it. Okay, so I'll pass on the white color, but man, oh, look how clean it looks. Of course, that is unique to the Z28 with the carbon fiber heat extractor. It's kind of funny because I have a fake Z28, so standing next to a real Z28 just makes me feel like absolute crap right now. Hello? This thing is moving, I already know. Oh my God, look at this. There's the flares here. I forgot what this is called, but this is, you see these, all these Performantes and stuff like that. So really high-end performance cars. Look at this, and then it's got radials up front, in the rear. I mean, this thing for sure is putting down some serious numbers if you got that level of equipment on you. I mean, look at this. Yeah, it's giving me a lot of Performante vibes here. So it's called Forged Carbon, and looks really good. Not only is it probably a lot more efficient and lighter, but it just gives it so much more of an expensive and more custom look. This looks like the launch color for the Z06, kind of like a, you know, highlighter yellowish green color. I'm telling you, man, I can't get over the color options that are offered on General Motor cars, performance cars. It's just beautiful. More Corvettes here. It looks like it's more C8, but look at this, like already people are starting to heavily modify them. And then check this out, we got an exotic domestic car here with the scissor doors. You know, I feel like Corvettes are pretty much one of the only American cars that can really rock that look, that it honestly just suits it. All right guys, so we got to start putting on our life vests because we are now entering boat territory. Check it out, man. This is just, honestly, I feel like I'm in Tokyo Drift or something like that. Look at all the lights, the modifications. Being here is so fun because like you get to really appreciate how much work people put into this, and it just looks so custom and unique. It's like art, almost. This is the GT3 that I've reviewed, that I've made countless other content with, and it is here. Now, if you guys remember, Bryce, which was the owner of this car, sold this back in 2019, so it's been out of the garage and out of content for about 3 years now. And now it made its way back to Florida. It sounds absolutely incredible. I'm gonna show you guys an exhaust clip now. So the new mods that the new owner did was, I think he took out the radar that used to be there for police radars. He installed like these really nice yellow roll cage to match with the exterior color. I think he also put some headers in there and changed up the exhaust system as well. So cool to see this car after like 3 years. I mean, this honestly, this is the car that really granted us so much access to Supercar Saturdays and just that community as a whole. I've always said that McLarens have like this Star Wars look to it, like a speeder from Star Wars. And of course, with the scissor doors. But what's really cool about seeing a car like that is just how much variety is actually showing up to here, and how much variety is probably living in this area in Kendall, which who would have thought? Hey, I was saying earlier that this has to be one of the cleanest C4s I've ever seen. It's perfect. Yeah, look at the exhaust clips, bro. That's exactly how they should have came from factory, bro. Check out this Supra, guys. All right guys, so we're starting to see that now people are starting to leave. It's already about 10 o'clock now. Let's go ahead and do a final walk around and show you guys what's going on here. I absolutely love American cars, man. There's something just so unique about a American V8 with some cams and a modified exhaust. There's an R8 V10 pulled up here. Whoa, look at these lights on the C5 right here. That is interesting. Looks like little Pokeballs. I absolutely love when people add those modifications to the exterior to give it like a more modern look, especially because cars like these, I mean, these are like 20 plus years old, so awesome seeing that. You mind revving it when you leave? it just sounds so much more muscular. But that is just like a deep, throaty muscle car that's obviously built for the track. Sounds so good, guys. Oh my God. All right, so now we are coming to the end of the meet, at least for me. I'm gonna start heading back home. Justin, can you do something special for us?
Yeah,
You need to sound more enthusiastic, bro.
Yeah, let's do it. Turn on the car for you guys.
Mama, you need a seatbelt though. All right, guys, so now let's just go for a very relaxing drive back to the house to end the night and the video. Hey. Okay, you're loud. Yo, thank you, man.
YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Fuck.
It's GV.
Yeah.
Aspirated.
I know you.
What?
I know you. I used to watch your videos, bro.
Hey!
Yeah, you used to watch them, he told me.
Thank you, man.
Sick, bro.
That's so nice, dude. That's crazy. That's awesome. He knew who I was. He said he watched my videos. Negative. Driving through tunnels has to be the best experience when you have a straight pipe car. Are you gonna do a little tunnel exhaust right now?
You want me to?
I mean, it'd be a crime if you didn't. I'm telling you, man, those tunnel exhausts. Alright guys, I just arrived to the parking garage and I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the change of scenery and the change of meats. I don't think I've ever actually done a Kendall meat vlog. If you guys found this video entertaining and somewhat informative, go ahead and give this video a like. If you guys enjoy my content overall, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my vlogs, my reviews, or any other video for that matter. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.